Hello, Ty at Landscape Lighting Pro of Utah here today to show you how to reset and program the timer inside of your NightScaping transformer. It's important to note before we get started that there can be different timers inside of your NightScaping transformer, and to distinguish which kind you have, there's a telltale way to do that. You just go ahead and open up the panel with the button configuration inside of it and take a look at that. To know if you are looking at the same kind of timer I'm looking at right now, take a look at the configuration of the buttons. If they match, great. Stick around. We'll go ahead and walk through all of this. If it does not match, please feel free to exit out of this video and select another one to find the correct timer for your transformer. Now, to get started, we're going to go ahead and reset this timer to its default settings. So to do that, you take a paper clip, you bend it out, and you push in the small reset button. It'll zero out, it'll say 12 a.m. That's exactly what we want to see, perfect. So to get the calendar, the time and everything set up right, go ahead and press set, setup. So now we have the time. Our time for the clock is 1:15 p.m. So you take your little up down arrows right here and you scroll through. You can actually hold it down, you don't have to push it individually, until you get to 1:15 p.m. or for me 1:15 p.m. for you whatever time it is. And note the AM and PM to the right of the clock. Here we go. And that's it right there. Once you have the correct time set up, you hit set again. Pick the year. For us, the year is 2018. Hit set again. The month, it is August. It is the 16th today. And daylight savings time. You can turn daylight savings off if you'd like. But we live in Utah, so having daylight savings on is, well, more desirable for us. So, when you see the on button blinking, hit set. And then, since this is an astronomical timer, it adjusts itself throughout the year for whatever time the sun sets or rises. So based off of the time of day, the day of the year, and the zone, that's how it'll understand when the sun is setting. Oh, and I took a minute too long to get that set up, so really quick, we go back to settings, clock, that's right, year, month, day, daylight savings on, zone. So take a quick look at this map with me. We are in Utah, so we are in the central zone. So we'll pick that. Okay, and then dusk is at 8 p.m., correct. Dawn is at 6:27 a.m., perfect. And that's it. Now we're back to our starting clock, or the home screen. Now to get the on-off times programmed, we're going to go ahead and hit program. Now we have program 1 on. To get that started, we hit set. So all days of the week, that's right, we want this to work for all days of the week. So if all those are blinking, you select that. Then the time. What's great about this is we can actually have our lights turn on at dusk, and that'll adjust throughout the year for whatever time the sun is setting. So when you read dusk, you hit set. Perfect. Okay. So once you have everything selected, hit program again. Now this is our program 1 off time. So right here we're going to press set. All days of the week, perfect. Hit set. And then the time, you can have your lights run all night long, turn on at dusk, on at dawn, sunrise, by selecting dawn, but for us and our purposes, we're going to have them turn off at midnight at 12 a.m. So when you see the time blinking, it's set. So 12 a.m. we hit set again, select the hour. Perfect. Okay, so now we have this all set up. Now to get back to the main menu, you're going to hit Program. As you can see, you can have multiple programs, but to get to the main menu, you're going to scroll through here all the way back to the beginning. And there you go. Now it's important to note also that right now it is set in auto mode. The timer will turn the lights on and off automatically. If for some reason you want to have your lights stay on, not turn off, or stay off and not turn on, you go here to Mode and you pick Manual. In Manual, you can have your lights on, they stay on, or off and they stay off. Most people, you'll only ever need it in auto. So in auto off, they'll turn on tonight when they cycle through, and they'll turn off when they're supposed to. Now you don't always have to open up the display. If I need to turn my lights on right now for some reason, all I have to do is push in the button right there. If I need to turn them off, same thing. And it's all set and good to go. Hey, I hope this video was helpful, and you know, we're always more than happy to come out and help clients with their timer if they're struggling with it. But other than that, I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all later. Bye.